lovely. So today I was actually getting ready and I was in a hurry and I don't have anything on my face right now. And I was actually contemplating whether I wanted to use a BB cream or a CC cream because I wasn't feeling like foundation. And I think my skin is doing a little better than needing that coverage from a foundation. And I thought I might as well show you guys or explain to you what I think of a BBCC cream and what the difference is so that you guys are not confused, because I feel like nowadays skin tints are great, they're much better, and everyone's loving the idea of, you know, your skin sort of still peeking through something that's not too heavy. So guys, I have here a BB and CC cream with me and I'm going straight into what the BB cream is. So here I have the Nykaa Skin Genius BB All-in-One Cream, and what I love about this one is that it has an SPF 30. So the full form of BB cream is, to understand, is that it is a beauty balm or a blemish balm. So that's what it's meant to do. So as you can tell from the name, it's meant to have some skincare benefits. For example, this one has vitamin E, which helps with the hydration and nourishing your skin. So it gives you that little bit of a dewiness. Each BB cream will have some kind of skincare ingredient that helps. So what I love about this one is that it's that all-in-one product that's a skincare plus makeup, which means it's time efficiency, you know. You can use one product and you can be done. It's quick, it's easy, it has skincare benefits, it has sun protection, and it helps to cover up a little bit of those blemishes, and it creates that little bit of a glowy satin finish so it doesn't look too cakey for makeup. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit just here to show you the texture. So I'm just taking actually a little bit here. Potentially you would directly want to apply it on your skin, and it might look too pink, it might look too, I don't know, too much, but trust me, when you blend it out, it will work for your skin tone. So always try your BB cream maybe before you buy it. It's very thin, as you can see, and while I'm blending it out, you just blend it out like you would a moisturizer, and that's all you need. I think I actually took a lot more than I need. I'm doing the BB cream on this side of the face so you can compare it. And this is my bare face with nothing, no primer. Another amazing part about using BB and CC creams is you don't need primer. Like I said, it has skincare benefits, so you can just directly go on. Now, of course, if you feel like you want a little bit more coverage, you could go in with a concealer or a foundation on certain spots. But do you guys already see that radiant finish that I'm getting on this side as compared to this side? There's that little bit of shine that I'm seeing, the dewiness, and it's created a sort of even tone. So this is what your BB cream is meant to do. It's supposed to have sun protection. It's meant to give you that even finish. And now, just to show you the difference, I'm going to use a CC cream on this side, which might make me look funny when I step out, but you know what? For you guys, anything. So I'm going to use the CC cream that I have from Faces Canada, and this is the Correct and Care cream. That's what the CC cream stands for. And this generally has that primer effect. It actually does color correct. So this is for when you want some more coverage, you want to color correct some spots, you want to hide certain blemishes. That's when you'd use CC cream. So as compared to BB cream, this is a little bit more makeup as compared to the beauty balm. Now they both are everyday uses depending on what your skin's feeling like, which is why I have both. There are days where I feel like my skin feels a bit more pigmented and needs some correction, and that's when I will go in for the CC cream. So this also has an SPF 20. It's a plus if your CC cream also has additional skincare benefits. It is meant to have limited, but yeah, this one also has an SPF 20, a little less SPF than a BB cream potentially. And it primes, perfects. It also helps to protect your skin from sun or from the harmful rays, or just create a layer of protection for your face. So I'm just gonna go ahead and squeeze it out onto my hand just to show you the texture. So I like to use even a CC cream with my hand because I feel like the warmth from your fingers help to blend it out, and because it's more like a cream sort of texture, it's best applied with your hands. I feel like some of it gets absorbed when you use a brush and or a sponge or anything that you'd like to apply with, and the point is that this is already minimal, so I like to use my hands. So now you can see this looks a bit more orange, and that's only because it has color correcting pigments. So don't be afraid. Maybe always get a tester, try it out if you're very wary about picking a shade. And this one has, like, as you can see, it has this like moussey texture, and I'm gonna go just ahead and like apply it on this side of my face. So as you can see, there's already a little bit more coverage on this area, which is slightly darker. I call it a natural contour because I have a little bit of tanning that's only in these corners. It's very weird, but I have embraced it as my natural contour. But if you can see that this one has already created that coverage on this area as opposed to here. If you're looking for something that needs, where your skin feels like it needs a little bit of help with makeup, and you want to cover some spots, then you want to use a CC cream. This one is a bit more matte. It looks like you have a little bit of makeup on, or actually looks like you haven't tried too much, but it does more of the makeup sort of job than a BB cream does. So depending on whether you want something that's just to even out your skin tone but still look like your skin without trying too hard, then a BB cream or something that is lightweight is what you go for. If not, if you want a little bit more makeup for help, then a CC cream. So hopefully this will help you pick between a BB and CC cream when you want to try out a tint. If you are a beginner, I would say start with the BB cream because it's easier, it's lighter. You sort of try and understand what it does for you. So if you're a beginner who does not like using too much makeup or who's learning about makeup, then the BB cream is easier to start off with. Hopefully this cleared your confusion and this video is something that you liked watching. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and keep watching for more such content.